Hello! So I am going to do a little tutorial on styling heat-friendly synthetic wigs. So often you find with a heat-friendly synthetic, the ends can get a bit frazzled where they've got friction off your clothes and just over time they become a bit frizzy. So today I'm just going to straighten a few bits of this wig just to show you how you do it. So all you need is a kind of comb like this with space between the bristles, some straighteners, and then a little spray bottle of water. So I'm going to spritz the hair. You don't want it to be sopping wet. You just want it to be lightly damp. I'm going to do it in sections. So it's kind of goes against everything that you do with human hair, because you would never put straighteners on human hair when it's wet, but it's okay with synthetics. What I will say, it makes a frazzle. Don't worry about that. So what I find also, watch, if you're sitting like I am, watch your knees, because hot water just dripped onto my knee. So essentially, I'm just taking sections, I'm using my comb, and then I'm just running the straighteners down. You can use the comb to sort of direct it slightly. If you're finding that the ends are frazzled, but you want the hair to be, say, slightly curlier, if you're doing this to get rid of frazzled ends, I would suggest straighten it first. That will smooth out the fibres and then curl it. Obviously, if you're just wanting it straight, you can just straighten it. The trick with the heat-friendly fibres is that you want them to cool in this, straight or curly style. So I'll do a separate video on curling. I'm just gonna make that a bit wetter. The water, I don't really know why. The water just helps with the fibres. I haven't used any product particularly on this. It's not like human hair where you need like a heat protection spray. Also, before you style your piece, check the manufacturer's instructions for the temperature that those fibres can take. I always recommend to people that you don't want to go any higher than about 180 degrees. Some brands will tell you different temperatures, so some might say 180, some might say 160, some might say 130, so just check before you start. And if you're worried about doing this, my advice would be start off with a section that's kind of underneath at the back, because then if it goes wrong, that will be hidden. And yeah, you can just work your way around. When you use straighteners, it creates a very straight look. If you want something a bit softer, you could do a round brush and a hairdryer. And then once you've styled it, it will keep that style even if you wash it. And then to change that style, you need to heat style it again. I hope that's useful. If there's anything that I've missed out, let me know.